In this video, we will talk about composition, function and working of circulatory system. The circulatory system comprises of the heart, arteries, veins and capillaries. Veins are indicated with blue color, while arteries are indicated with red color. Veins generally carry deoxygenated blood, while arteries generally carry oxygenated blood. And इन दोनों को जो link करता है, that is the capillary. Artery carry blood away from the heart and veins carry blood towards the heart. These are the things to remember. And a trick to remember is A for artery, A for away. Now what is the function of blood circulatory system? Blood carries along with it nutrients and oxygen and deliver to all the cells in the body and take away carbon dioxide from the cell. So suppose this is the blood vessel. These are the RBCs. So they deliver oxygen and nutrients and take away carbon dioxide and waste. Circulatory system involves two main circulations, pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. The systemic circulation carries blood from the heart to all the other parts of the body and back again. It transports oxygenated blood away from the heart. The pulmonary circulation moves blood between the heart and the lungs. It transports deoxygenated blood to the lungs to absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide. The oxygenated blood then flows back to the heart. So let's learn through this diagram. Deoxygenated blood enters the right side of the heart. The blood then enters the lungs through pulmonary artery. The blood then gets purified and the oxygenated blood then enters the left side of the heart through pulmonary vein. So this completes the pulmonary circulation. The oxygenated blood from the left side of the heart and eventually enters the aorta, and from aorta the oxygenated blood is supplied to all the body tissues and it delivers oxygen and nutrients to all the body tissues. Again, the deoxygenated blood gets collected into the superior and inferior vena cava, and again the blood enters the right side of the heart. So this completes the systemic circulation. Now let's learn these two circulations in more detail through this flow diagram. Blood from superior and inferior vena cava enters the right atrium. This is a deoxygenated blood. From right atrium, the blood enters the right ventricle. From right ventricle, the blood enters the lungs through pulmonary artery. The blood then gets purified and enters the left atrium. From left atrium, the blood enters the left ventricle. Then the blood eventually enters the aorta, and from the aorta, the blood is supplied to all the body tissues and delivered oxygen and nutrients. So this is it. I hope you like this explanation.